Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this Glam dinner party centerpiece using all Dollar Tree materials.
Everything you see here is from the Dollar Tree. I will add at the description bar below what materials I used and where I got them. And if you have any questions, just leave them down below. Enjoy!
Here's what I used. 1 glass candlestick holder, spray painted black. 1 black plate. 1 plastic skull. Now I spray painted this silver, but you can leave it as is depending on you, but I wanted a glam look. Black Halloween theme roses. Some had little plastic eyes on them. Glue gun. Pliers. Craft foam. Plastic spiders, which I don't think I ended up using because some of the roses had spiders on them already. And scissors. I ended up doing the top first for the video's sake and adding the stand later on, but you can add the stand first and then doing this part. So here I added the foam, the floral foam to the top of the plate. And I kind of place it before I add the glue to see where I want it to sit on the floral foam. And add a little bit of hot glue and then affix it on top of where I want it situated. This part is basically self-explanatory. I'm just clipping off the roses so I can insert them at the bottom where the foam is. So you basically insert the stem of the roses into the foam one by one until the entire green portion is covered. Here's one with the eyes. Kind of wanted to scatter them around a little bit throughout. See what I was saying before? Some of the roses already came with little black spiders on them. I clipped them and put them aside for later because I wanted to add a little bit of glitter. Well, a lot of bit of glitter, cover them with glitter because I wanted, you know, the glam look on this piece. So, yeah, no dull spiders over here. Glitter all day.
Glitter on the spiders off camera and I set them aside to dry, and I went ahead and finished adding the flowers to the base of the skull. she is with all her flowers. I noticed I missed a spot in the back, but you can just go back and fill it in with another flower. And now I'm gonna add the spider, which the glitter is showing kind of bluish, purplish on camera, but it's actually black glitter that I added to it. It's a little too high. I don't really like how that's looking, so I went ahead and clipped it off a little bit more so it can sit the way I want it, so it could look, you know, a little bit better, sitting a little bit closer to the skull. There we go. Okay. All right. Like it like this, but I'm extra, so I'm gonna add a veil and more flowers to the top of the head. I also got this black tulle from the Dollar Tree, and what I did, since it's a little bit thin, I folded it in half, and as you can see here, I'm gonna bunch it up in order to tape the top. You'll see here, bunch it, and there you go, and then it creates a little veil. So to affix it on the top, what I did was just took a little bit of tape and wrapped it around the top like that, and it'll secure it. Where I want it, and I add some glue to the tape and glue it right on top of her head. Then what I'll do to hide the tape part is add some more flowers to the top there. I cut the stem almost completely off of these so that there's nothing sticking out. And with the skull, you can also do a glitter skull. I think a glitter skull would have popped more, but this will do for now. I still ended up liking it. Stems as well as the tape from the tulle. Now I added the candlestick off camera. I wish I would have got a shorter candlestick, but I couldn't find the short ones that I had in my mind that I wanted to get for this piece, but it still came out good. You don't have to even put it on top of the candlestick. I just wanted to elevate it more, but you can very well just leave the plate flat on the table as your centerpiece as well. I also picked up this little Coffin gift box that I spray painted silver. And I picked up some stickers from the Dollar Tree as well. I had these already. I used up the P, I believe. So what I ended up doing was cutting the bottom part of the B to make the P and RIP, and just stuck them to the gift box. And what I'm gonna do with these is place them on the plate. Like, you can place them as a little gift for your guests on their plates, you know, like a little party favor. I also picked up this spider web wall hangy decor thing from the Dollar Tree as well. I removed the spider and used the web as a runner. I got this cup from the Dollar Tree as well. Here's the place setting that I did with the runner, the spider web as a runner. There's the centerpiece. I hope you liked it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be adding more tutorials and more videos to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Be blessed. Bye.